folks! In this video, we'll be discussing the process of resizing elements in the canvas. So if you want to resize an element, let's say this particular hero section, simply click on the element. At the bottom and right boundary of the element, you'll notice these little round elements known as resize handlers. By clicking on these icons and dragging your mouse, you can adjust the size of the element in both the X and Y directions. It's as simple as that. Now, let's try resizing some text. Again, click on the element and use the resize handlers. However, instead of getting a resize text element, you may encounter a warning message stating that the height is set to fit content. The solution is to change the height value to either pixels or percentage. To understand why this happens, let's head over to the layout settings on the right sidebar. Within the layout settings, you'll find options for width and height. In the case of fit content, the element adjusts its dimensions to contain the text within it. It's particularly useful for text boxes where you may frequently add or remove text and want the element to automatically resize accordingly. But if you prefer manual control over the width, you can change the value for width to either pixels or percentage. By doing so, you'll be able to freely resize the element and even input specific values using the editor. The same concept applies to the height as well. Just be cautious, as altering the dimensions too much may cause overlap or break the responsive view. Thus, it's generally recommended to use the fit content setting. However, if necessary, you can opt for pixel or percentage values. Another scenario that often arises is the need for adding spacing inside an element. In such cases, you can utilize the padding option to create additional space at the top, bottom, or any other desired location. Additionally, there is the option for setting minimum and maximum widths and heights. These properties limit the element from shrinking or expanding beyond certain values. For instance, by setting a minimum width of 300 pixels, the element will never become smaller than this size. So that's all, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to let us know through comments, support chats, or CodeDesign forum. See ya!